Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Helium10 for product and keyword research. Helium10 is a powerful suite of tools that can help you find profitable products, optimize your listings, track your rankings, and much more. Whether you're a beginner or expert seller, Helium10 can help take your business to the next level. So let's get started. So we're going to head to helium10.com, and this is the website that you're going to be brought to. You can see a lot of information about the website and the services that it offers. If we come down here to the plans and pricing, you can see the three different options that we've got, all the way from $29 a month up to $229 a month. But for today, we're just going to sign up for free in the top right hand corner up here. And you're just going to sign up with your name, email, and password. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to this page, and it's going to ask you to identify yourself. You can either be a seller, a brand, agency, consultant, or aggregator. Or if you're not selling yet, you can just click I haven't started selling yet, and then click next. And then here it's going to give you the option to upgrade if you want to do that now. But if you don't want to, you can just click not right now and continue with your free trial. And here it's got some options to get you started, but we're just going to go ahead and click down here on go to my dashboard. So here is your dashboard, and we can see here it says find and launch your first product, and this is where we're going to start. So for our product research, we're going to open a black box. So then it asks you to answer these questions, and first of all, you're going to select the marketplace that you want to sell on in, whatever country is relevant to you. And then you're going to select a category, and there are lots of categories to choose from, and each of them has drop-down menus here, as you can see. So you can either select the overall category, or you can go down to the drop-down menu and find a much more smaller niche. I'm just going to take a look at arts and crafts. And then you're going to choose what sort of improvement range. And then over here, you're going to select the competition. Ideally, you want to find something that has really low competition, so we're going to select low. And then you're going to select how much you want to sell your product for. So whether you want to find a relatively inexpensive product or quite an expensive product. And then finally, how much monthly revenue you would like. Again, you can choose quite a small amount or over $10,000 a month. And then once you're happy with your search terms, you can click search. And here you can see it's brought up a bunch of suggestions of things that you might want to sell. And you can see there is a lot of information in this table. You've got the price, the monthly sales, the monthly revenue, the reviews. So you can go through this list and find something that appeals to you that you want to sell that meets your criteria. And if you wanted to filter these products down even more, in the top right hand corner here, you've got edit filters. You can click on that. And then you can sort of select the shipping size, the weight of the product. You can search for specific brands and also select different sales and lots of other things. As you're scrolling through the list, if you see a product that interests you, you can click this checkbox here. And then back up at the top, you can select add to my list. And that's just going to save those items for you so you can revisit them at a later date. So that's how you would find products that you might want to sell. But what about keywords? We're going to go up here to keywords, still within black box, and it's going to bring up this page. So first we're going to select our search volume, and that's going to be how many searches for this word there has been within the last month. And for this, we're just going to put in 1,000. And then monthly revenue is, again, how much money has been made in the last month. So we're going to put a minimum of 1,000. Price, you can enter that if you want to, but we're going to leave that blank. And then review count, we want to keep the review count fairly low because we want to go in and list our products and get lots of reviews and rank really well. So we're going to put a maximum of 400 for review count. And then review rating, we're going to leave empty. And then for word count, we're just going to pop in a minimum of 2 because we don't want one word because that's not specific enough. And then we're going to go down to search. And you can see down here, it has given us a bunch of keywords. And it's telling you what the search volume is, what the price is, the monthly sales, monthly revenues. And over here in actions, you can go and view on Amazon. So if you wanted to see exactly what these products are, Underneath the listings, you can see the last year's sales numbers. Again, just like with the product research, you can click on items that you want to save for later. And then at the top, you can click on add keywords to my list, and that's just going to save them for later. And just as before with the product research, we can go in and further define our search. So you could select your category, you could change the number of monthly sales and just update your search down here. And you can see it has updated it. So you can scroll through this list and find something that appeals to you. Once you've got a bunch of products or keywords saved up and you want to revisit them in your list, you can go up to Tools in the dashboard, and then you want to go to My Lists and Products. You can click on that and you can see it's got your saved products here. And then if you want to go to Keywords, just at the top here, click on Keywords. And you can see it's saved all of the information that was in the table previously with all the price and the monthly sales. So you can once again go through this and figure out what is a good product for you to sell. And there you have it. That is how you can use Helium10 to research keywords and products for your Amazon business. With these insights and tools at your fingertips, you can take your Amazon business to the next level. Remember to keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep refining your approach. Thanks for watching.